Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Naadia, and today is super exciting. Today is the first video of my Wedding Wednesday series video. So a little backstory, if you have not seen my last video, I highly recommend going to check it out because your girl is engaged. So my last video is actually my engagement video, and when I tell you it was the most beautiful, magical, special moment of my entire life, I mean it. I was just surrounded by so much love, and so much work and effort went into my proposal, and I felt it. You can see it, you can feel it. Everybody who's watched the video said they were crying. So definitely go check out that video and then head back here. Like I said, today is the very first video in my series, of my Wedding Wednesday series. So yeah, I'm super excited. I've definitely been the girl who's always dreamed of her wedding and planning it. So I'm just going to document it. I always struggle, figuring out what content works best for my channel, but this seems super natural, to document this experience and take you guys along with me. So I'm super excited, and I hope you are too. Anyway, so today's video is actually going to be all about my bridesmaids proposal boxes. I put a lot of work into them, and I hope they like them. I'm literally trying to film this video because all of my bridesmaids have been kind of asking hey, do you have a bridal party yet? So I've been desperately trying to surprise them. So I'm gonna get this video out so I can actually send the boxes. I have a really big bridesmaid, or what is it, I guess not bridesmaids, bridal party. That's what it is. I have a really big bridal party, and we actually, I had to convince my fiance to shrink his numbers down because I'm I cannot match what you got going on. So we've got 9 bridesmaids and 9 groomsmen. So yeah, it's a really big party. And only 2 of my bridesmaids actually live here in Texas with me. The other ones live in Florida, California, and Georgia, and Louisiana. So they're all spread out. So I have to mail all these boxes, and I'm so stinking excited to mail them. So yeah, I have to get this video done for you guys. All right, so moving right along. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by showing you the outside of the boxes. I think I'm going to insert a clip of all of them together because I'm not going to show you all 9 of them. Guys, I'm kind of obsessed with how my bridesmaids proposal boxes came out. They are so stinking cute, and I love them. But I'll show you the outside of the boxes and of course what's inside of them, and I will tell you everywhere I got the items from, because I think that's helpful, because I watched a ton of these videos and I got a lot of great ideas from them. So here is the outside of the boxes. I used the permanent vinyl. I was so lucky, so stinking lucky to have a cousin who has a Cricut. So she actually made these for me. They're absolutely perfect. I did the gold. It's big, pretty curly font, and I love it. And then on the inside of the boxes, I did a little kind of note or whatever to my bridesmaids to ask them to be my bridesmaid. I did 3 different ones. For my maid of honors, I wrote their name, and then I said, now act surprised, you had no idea this was coming. Will you be my bridesmaid? And then I put the date of our wedding, which also serves as kind of a save the date. So that was cool. Here's my little sisters. Super cute. I love it. And hers says, I found my mister, but I still need my sister. Will you be my bridesmaid? And then for the other girls, here's another one. Oops. Here's another one. Tiffany. And this one says, help me get my shit together. Okay? Help me get it together. Will you be my bridesmaid? So those are some of the little notes that I included on the lid of the box to kind of decorate it and actually ask them. And then on the inside of the box, I wanted to do something super cute, but then also, if you didn't know, I'm having a destination wedding, so I wanted it to be kind of like a travel vibe as well. So let me show you everything I included. All right, so first things first, I did these super cute little white and gold passport covers, and I got these from Shein. I don't know how you say that, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I got them from there, and these actually took a hot little minute to come. I think it took like a solid 2 weeks. This was the very last item I was waiting for my boxes. I also got these sunglasses. They're rose gold. I think they're super adorable, and obviously they're going to use them. We're going to be on a beach, tropical, hot, sunny. It's going to be a vibe, and I think these sunglasses were super cute. All right, so I got these adorable little Bride Squad cups. I actually got these from the dollar store, so I feel like these are such a steal, and they've got the gold font on them, so it tied all of my like pink and gold theme together really well. Guys, this next item, it took so long to get this to kind of come together, but anyway, I did these cute little rosé bottles. They already came with like the pink foil for the top, and then I just added the straw and the little curly cues to them. And they also have labels on them. This one says, "Will you be my maid of honor?" So I got these labels from Amazon, and I got the rosé obviously from the liquor store. Fun story, but not fun story. I think I've probably been to like 15 to 20 like liquor stores, Walmarts, like grocery stores looking for these bottles. These are actually not the ones I wanted to use. I wanted to use the barefoot bubbly ones because I think the actual liquid in the bottle was pink. Anyway, I went to a ton of stores looking for them, so super proud of those, and it was heck trying to find pink to tie all my colors in. But yeah, so then the last thing I included in their box was a little bath bomb. They are rose gold and pink, so just matches everything. And I know like some of my bridesmaids, like my maid of honor, she's like a bath girl like me. We love bubble baths, so I thought this was super cute. And for my little sister, since she is not 21 yet, the only thing I had to change for her box was the actual drink itself. And actually, I feel like hers came out cuter than all of the actual rosé bottles because, like I said, the liquid is cute, which is what I was going for, but bygones be bygones. Anyway, hers is like a rose and lavender flavored like lemonade, so I think it came out super cute. And then hers says, "Will you be my bridesmaid?" So yeah, those are all the things that I included in the box. I basically, all the stuff came from like Michael's, Dollar Tree, the liquor store, Amazon, Shein, and this place in the mall. I think it's called Miss A. I think. Yeah, so sunglasses are from Miss A. Yeah, so that is everything included in the boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. Like I said, it's a full series. I'm super excited about it. Yeah, so I will see you guys next Wednesday.